What are we driving?
Hey, true.
What's happening, everybody? Let's go for a drive. It's beautiful weather, and I'm in the cranking wagon, and it was too nice not to go out. So here we are. Ourselves a headwind. Jeez, the wind's coming from the south, that's why it's so warm today. I was just trying to merge safely on back onto the road. And it being a high-speed road, you need to make sure that when you merge, that you're not going to be a danger to whoever's driving down the road. You don't want to just merge willy-nilly. You gotta be responsible. So that's what I does. Responsibility is key. It wasn't me, Ossifer. Anywho, we just went for a drive. So more videos on the Passat coming up. They should be engine building videos and things related to that. In order to like complete the build, I have to actually pull the car off the road. I don't think I'm gonna I'll have the bottom end ready to go, and at that point I think it's like park the car, remove all this stuff, and remove this engine transmission, clean out the engine bay a little bit. There's a bunch of wiring there that doesn't need to be there, so I have to like cut stuff out and whatever. So we'll do that, and then the engine should be like with the bottom end together. It shouldn't be very that part of the build shouldn't take long. But I have the short runner to do, which means redoing the piping for the intercooler. Like, we're gonna keep a lot of the same stuff, but I have to redo because we're changing the intake manifold. I want to make a intake pipe because right now I just have the filter on the turbo and I don't really like that. I want the filter to be much larger and in a nice spot for fresh air. Another thing that I don't want to do is direct port water meth, so I might not even bother getting the install and everything in until that's done. The other thing is we need an oil cooler. Got to do that. So there's quite a few things to do. So I might just assemble the bottom end and have sort of everything as ready as I can, and then pull the trigger, pull the Passat off the road. We're gonna be making some jam, be hurting lots of feelings at that parallel level, and breaking lots of parts too. So anyway, thanks for watching and for coming along for the ride. That's basically all I got for you. So enjoy the rest of your day. Like, share, subscribe, and all those things. Leave a comment if you like wagons, if you like Volkswagens, if you like VR6s, if you like turbos. Then leave a comment for each. I dare you to do it. Leave the comments for each one of those things. And if you don't like any one of those things, leave comments for those too. Take it easy. Have a good one.